Where was this?
Mbere ya kamiti ya ũgitĩri ya Senate, Gavana wa Nairobi Johnson Sakaja ataririe kĩgirĩko kĩrĩa thirikari yake ĩkoretwo ĩkĩgerera rĩrĩa gwakinya nĩ gũtangĩkĩra mũingĩ maũndũ ma hi na hi, akiuga wagi wa kĩgĩna nĩguo ũkuĩte mbũri tatha, amu rĩrĩa thirikari ĩno ĩrabatara ũteithio ũgũkoragwo no nginya mathimaru-inĩ ma thirikari nene ta aboi a rũitĩki gwĩtia ũteithio.
Why I'm not able to fully operationalize it is because if I do that, then the control of budget will not approve and the report will be that we're spending money on salaries. But in Nairobi, you need to be served. You need to see people sweeping your street. You need doctors, you need nurses, it's a service county. It's not an infrastructure heavy county as others are.
Sakaja erete kamiti ino arutia wira 19,000 ale mare county ini ya Nairobi ni anini muno gutungata andu milioni 7 ale meigiraga kuma Nairobi kumatha oboso wao wa o muthenya.
I really would want to appeal to Senate at some point. You know, this ratio that is set by control of budget and Dr. General cannot apply in a service county. Nairobi is a service county. Nairobi is a service county. Because of the number of people, you need more personnel. I only have 19,000 staff. 19,000 staff serving 7 million people. One hospital, for instance, Mama Lucy, has 1,200 staff members. Mama Lucy on its own, which is more than some entire counties staffing.
Maseneta ya makĩenda Sakaja gũtarĩria mĩbango ya Nairobi ya kũnina gũtangĩka kwa mĩaki ĩrĩa ĩtuthũkaga mabinda kwa mabinda.
Which measures have you kept in place to curb these frequent fire disasters in Gikomba?
In the event that you have an epidemic, people have been exposed to some chemical disasters. They have an isolation center where these people can be quarantined.
Gavana uyu ugite mubinga munene wa kuburana mĩaki kundu gutiganite rĩrĩa yatuthuka Nairobi ni undu wa kwigwatirwo migunda ya thirikari na gwaka kũrĩa ngari cia thima mwaki ciagĩrĩirwo ni kubitukira.
We find a fire in Gikomba and the roads have been blocked. People have come in and they've built stalls. So the fire engine cannot even get to where the fire is. And so it's really daily persuasion for the people to open up those routes.
Ona gukiri uguo, gavana uyu ugite thirikari yake iri na mitaratara irathie na mbere ya gwaka mitaro ya gutema magiko na gutwara kiguo o ndumwe na kuthamia aria makite ndei-ini cia njui.
I personally have property somewhere where I have lost a few meters as a governor, my own place, But you can't expect the river will always find its course. Look at Brookside, yeah? That road, we do it every year. Because people have built on the river. They have diverted the river. But when the river floods, it remembers its course. At Westgate, I've had to decommission an entire parking. Because they have diverted the river and they have canalized Kibagare River into a small, like this size. Today, if you go and see what we've opened up, the river is flowing. It even looks happy.
Maya mokete onarire Gavana Sakaja oburete ati uteithio wa anyiti itemi unyitirĩire motungata ma county ya Nairobi na gĩcunjĩ kĩnene. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ndĩmbunge-inĩ ya bũrũri county-inĩ ya Nairobi njĩtagwo Masi wa Ndia wa Mũrĩithi.